FLIR C3 is a full-featured thermal camera designed to be your go-to tool for applications including building inspections, facilities maintenance, HVAC, electrical repair, and much more. Its slim, pocket-friendly size makes it easy to carry around in the field to find hot fuses, cold air leaks, plumbing issues, and more in an instant. The C3 includes must-have features such as MSX real-time image enhancement, area maximum or minimum temperature measurement, and Wi-Fi connectivity to quickly share images and document repairs. A 3-inch touchscreen is built into the unit and features an intuitive interface with auto orientation for easy viewing. FLIR's professional reporting software is included with the purchase of a C3 camera and is the industry standard in thermal image post-analysis. Video can also be streamed via this application, which is a feature that is typically only offered on more expensive thermal camera systems. You can buy with confidence knowing that everything is covered under FLIR's unique 2-to-10 warranty, where parts and labor are covered for 2 years, and the detector is covered for 10. You can view our full catalog of FLIR products at galco.com.